Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So finally today I am going to show you the Spotify music streaming board version 2.0 that I have developed at the end of December 2022, and it's been 1.5 months. Me and some of my clients were testing this board, and now the testing has been completed successfully and it's ready to use. Right now I'm going to show you the instructions and the live demo to use this board. So first of all, you will need a VPS. You will need to download the board on the VPS, and when you download the board you will have this zip file. First of all, you will need to extract it in a simple folder like this one, and then you will need to open this folder and run this Spotify music streaming board.exe file. After that, first of all you will need to select that for which website you are going to use this board. This board works on Apple Music, Amazon Music and Spotify Music. Okay. In my case, I'm doing this demo for Spotify, and after selecting the website, put the Spotify album links. Let me put another link as well. Okay. There are two albums, and here we will need to input an email where bot will be sending the reports every 12 hours. And then there are two modules in this board. First is to stream all tracks in an album, and the second one is to stream only one track. If we need to stream only one track in an album, then we will need to put the name as well of the track. Otherwise, if you are going to stream all the tracks, then no need for the name. And after that, you will need to import a file with the accounts. In my case, I have 30 Spotify premium accounts. We can use almost like recommended are 30 accounts that we can use in this board. Okay, so these are all premium accounts of Spotify. After importing the file, we just need to start the bot. It will open a Chrome with few tabs. Here, this is the part where you need to be very careful. Follow these instructions. As you can see, it is showing a pop-up saying that after opening at least 30 session box tabs, click OK to proceed. So the first step here, to right click on the first tab and select the last option to close tabs to the right. Then we need to click on the extensions button, and then we have to click on session box extension. These all extensions will be added in the bot automatically, and from here we have to sign in as a guest. Okay, when we will see this screen, we need to click anywhere on the screen, and then we need to press Ctrl, Shift and X for a while, so it can open few tabs that bot will be using for streaming. Okay, so as we can see, there are a bunch of tabs. Make sure these tabs are larger, like greater than 30. Okay, and then press this message OK to proceed. Our bot will close all the extra tabs, and it will keep only required tabs. And in each tab, it will log in a Spotify account one by one. And from here, you don't need to do anything. That's all the instructions that you need to follow to run this board. Now what our bot will do, it will log into all the tabs, and then it will start streaming itself. You don't need to do anything. There is a very strong algorithm in this board. Like, let me explain you now. This is the PC name. Like right now I'm using only one VPS, and in your case, if you are using more than one VPS, then you can put the PC names here. Okay, in that case, when our bot will send you the reports, you will have a clear like PC name, like from where you are getting the streams, as well as we don't need to use any proxy, any VPNs in this bot, because we are already using a VPS, and we can change the VPS every month if needed. And another thing is, after streaming the first album for 1 hour, our bot will move to the next album and stream it for 1 hour, and then it will keep looping between these two albums. We can put more albums as well here. And the rough estimation of the streams is, if we use 50 Spotify accounts on this bot for a 1 month, then approximately we will be getting 1,080,000 streams per month. Okay, now I'm going to show you my stats that I had in January by using this bot. In the meantime, let the bot complete the login process. So this is my DistroKid, and as you can see, in October, November and December I had no streams, but in January 2023 I had 269,000 streams, and in February I was not using this bot because I was a little busy. These are the stats from DistroKid, and now I'm going to show you the Spotify for Artists. So as you can see, it's the almost same number as DistroKid, 273,911 streams in January to February. Okay, and this bot will be creating the listeners as well and the followers. Okay, one more thing, it's still logging in to the accounts. Okay, I'm going to pause this video until it completes the process to log in, because this video is going to be longer. Okay, this is the last step to complete the login process. Okay, so now it will start streaming a random song in each tab one by one. As you can see, it is playing track number 2. It will go to each tab one by one and it will play a song. And we will be able to see the streams count here as well. Like right now there are 2 streams, and these are the all-time streams that our bot will be counting on this virtual machine. And there is a strong algorithm behind playing these songs. Like it will automatically detect the accounts and tabs, and then it will play a song from like 50 seconds to 1.5 minutes or 1 minute to 50 seconds. So everything will be random in this case. Right now let it complete the first loop to playing a track on all the tabs, and then I will resume the video again to show you the flow of the streaming. I'm going to pause this video right now. Okay, so this is the last step to play a first song, and after this I will show you the streaming time for each track in each tab. This is the first loop. After this loop, the bot will be in completely streaming flow. And also it will be adding these songs to their favorite list on each account automatically. Okay guys, the bot is in completely streaming flow right now, and I just want you to notice the streams count here and the streaming time here. When it will change a tab, you will see the streaming time and the streaming count here. Almost in 2 or 3 seconds we are getting one stream, and this is how we can calculate the total streams in a month. And right now we are using only 30 accounts. If we will be using 50 accounts, then the streaming speed will be higher and we will be getting one stream in almost 2 seconds. And according to this calculation, we will be getting 1,080,000 streams per month with 50 Spotify accounts. And now I can, like, once I have started this bot, I don't need to do anything else now. It will be switching between these 2 albums again and again until I log out all the accounts from here, and then I will quit it. So if you guys have more than like as many albums as you have, you can put all the albums here. It will be dividing these streams in all the albums, and it will be recommended to have multiple artists as well. So streams will be dividing in all the artists and the albums, and hopefully you will be making some passive income with this. And that's all for the Spotify streaming bot. And if you guys also want to see the demo video for Apple Music and Amazon Music, then you can write it to me in comments and I will make those videos as well. But the streaming process is totally same for the single track and for the all tracks, as well as for Amazon Music, Apple Music and Spotify Music. So that's all guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if so, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care, please. Bye.